Amechi. When did you arrive?
I came back yesterday.
How about your mother?
She's fine.
Yeah. That's good.
Where is everybody?
Yeah. The same history, the same geography. Akpo and his brother are, as usual, inside, loafing around, doing absolutely nothing. Meanwhile, their brother, Agama, is busy with his Okada business.
Okada business?
Oh, yes, sir. But I don't want to such question. He will just sit at home and eat and eat. He eats a lot of mashia, olo. Wait. This is not Okada. Take, go and do business with it.
Just that he has to be careful because Okada riders are very stubborn.
How?
Because his government introduced the use of safety helmet to save lives. Though the Okada riders use fake ones. Some use industrial. Some use even calabash. So what we use in my place is Dikeh na pep.
Dikeh na pap. Na pap. Dikeh akam.
Na pep.
Oh, pep. Oh, pap. Okay.
It's a tricycle. When it has balance on the ground. When you are driving, no accident. That one carries more passengers. Load. Even when rain is falling. You will just be inside there.
No. Monkey, they say you're not fine. My mama say fine. Okay? You know, life has two sides, like a coin. This is okay, na papa. It depends on the reason to your own place. But yeah, we still believe in age-long friendship. We prefer normal Okada. One, it is safer. Our boy is not riding very well. Even our guests now use Okada to carry passengers. Alright? It's cheaper. I mean, wherever the place. When people say Okada, boom, the people don't lie. It is not the Okada, but the rider. You hear me?
Yes.
See, so that's what we do here.
Everybody is changing to taking a pep. I'm telling you, like I said it is more accommodating. It carries more passengers. If rain is falling now, you will be safe. It carries more goods. It has a boot behind. So that's what is happening now. Yes. I even saw one at main market.
In this time? Ha! I thank God that I even told you all this thing. And I opened up. I will try that Dikeh na pap.
That one?
Then let me see. So, welcome, eh? Okay. Welcome, eh? What shall we offer you?
Well, any cold
Agbo? It's not cold though.
Well, I will manage.
Why? Yeah. No, what do you mean? I'm not daft. I remember na pepe, KK na pepe. I know. That's thank you, bro. Yes, I called this meeting today because of recent development.
Nan.
Nyan.
I hope the development is a good one.
Bam. From today, nobody mounts or climbs my motorcycle again. Bam.
Why? Papa, why now? Is it because of the helmet?
You see, at times you start well, you always end badly. Why would have been better, but I didn't think of a helmet. I mean, she was here yesterday. What he told me, I just turned my head upside down. We're going to shift in paradigm. Paradigm. We're going to shift away from Okada and go into Dikeh na pep.
Dikeh na
pep.
That one is even better. Yes. At least I've seen most Okada riders switched over to Dikeh na pep.
My God, thank God. For the first time in your wretched life, you are thinking well, idiot. So you see, like you said, it's right, you know. Funny enough. They say, according to them, before then, you, Agama lizard,
Papa,
you wash my motorcycle and keep it. No more Okada. And you move over to Dikeh na pep. See, you price from here. You go further. They say it is safer. They say it is more economical. I say let us try it first. If Okada is still safer, we come back to Okada. If they are keke na pepe, it's better than go to keke na pepe. That's all. So now, Jesus, this is the end of this meeting.
Amen.
But Papa,
idiot. Now, Jesus, this is the end of this meeting.
Amen.
Now waiting where you go see again. Obolo. And it na compulsory thing. Everybody must to buy. See Obolo. Every Okada man getting on. Agama on na wahala. Obolo. Trouble every day. I say trouble every night. Agama need deliverance. 7 days fasting and prayer. This one day beyond though. I believe I'm no stopping. Which can human being did this? Everybody just they ask. Oh, my dear, which can Obolo big pass this one? Obolo now waiting. Obolo. He gets a one man. This man named now Okafo. This man gets a family where every person can get the but the owner exception, oh, only children now wahala. Number 1 name na Agama, oh, Apu and Apollo. Apu the biscuit.
See the tire, I confirm tire. What's that? See this Napoli, you go there 100 years, this thing no go clean. Come, the shop say this thing. Get side mirror. I don't like to just carry on the go. So how much you selling at the last price?
Okay, as you know, say be my friend, my man, and I know say go fit carry customer come from me. Anyway, let me bring 360.
I know fit to. I know fit give you 360.
360.
I go just packet 350 give you. Come on, 10,000. I didn't know you. One go ride with me for me. No, on a 350. I know go fit.
Don't say this thing. I confirm Japanese and it is strong well.
So, tell me what happened?
My sister, you can't believe this. It was around 8 p.m. in the evening after I dismissed from work now. And on getting to the park, there was no bus, no bike, and not even a taxi. So I stood there for some time now, and suddenly a bike was passing by. I waved at him, he stopped. So I boarded him sharp. On going now, I didn't know what, he just bent over one direction. I didn't know where he was heading to, that I had to ask him to stop. He refused stopping me until he got to one point that suited him so well that he parked and then pointed a gun at me. Janie, can you imagine what that thing was? Me and I nearly died. At that point, he sent cold shivers down my spine and I was so scared. The next thing he said was that I should give him my bag. Hey, I had no waste time. I carried the bag, JJ, and gave to him. He took it and ran away. I was so scared. My dear, thank God for me because that bag, there was nothing inside the bag. There was no money. It was only my one phone, one stupid Nokia touch, and my ID cards and one makeup, and small makeup now, you know now. So my dear, and I was also very lucky that day. My friend sent me money from abroad. I did not come back with it. I just left it in the office. Follow me and thank God. Just thank God for me. It was not easy at all. Thank God for me.
Thank God, but my sister, I suggest you take that money in broad daylight to your house. Or make us pay it into your account.
Exactly. That's my Jenny baby. Eh? What I'll do is, I'll bring it back to my house and then, as early as possible, Even the money that my friend gave to me that I kept in the office, I'll bring all of them to my house tomorrow. So that by next tomorrow, I'll not take it to the bank and pay it. Yes, that's what I'll do.
Okay.
Thank God. Just thank you very much for that suggestion. Thank you.
I'm sorry, my dear. I'm sorry for what happened.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm thirsty. Do you have something?
Yes. I think I've got some stuff in the kitchen. Let me get you. So you like juice drink? Oh, let me get that for you, okay?
This man get a family where every person can get yeah. But the owner exception, oh, only children na wahala. Number one name na Agama, oh, Apple and Apollo. Apple the peace for house, oh, Apollo the peace for house, oh. Make una see them, but people when not they shit.
Very beautiful.
These boys they love you.
Let me come. I am a man. Can't you see?
I know you're not.
I am now address.
It's alright.
Hello, baby. Hello.
Are you calling me?
Yes.
Are you calling me?
Yes.
Any problem?
Yes. You are just the only problem that I have.
Me?
Yes.
How can? I don't know you before, or do I?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Hey. Apakale.
Hey! See this girl, oh. How many guys have told you that they like you today, and I'm just telling you that you're beautiful, and you're here misbehaving, idiots.
Beautiful.
Oh, no, let me go and deal. Let me
deal with you.
What?
Let's go.
See me now. Let me go and let me go.
Let's go, my friend. I told you need more orientation.
Oh.
But you wouldn't listen.
But
I've always warned you, if you want to confront a girl, you learn how to dress properly. Look at you. I want to confront that girl. You think she will listen to you? Let's go. Nonsense.
Oh.
You need more orientation.
What you mean?
Who is that? Who is on my door? Please, I'm coming. Hold on. Hold on, please. I'll be there.
Get down there. Lie down. Where are you going? Lie down. Close your eyes. We're not here to hurt you, but we need that money. That money that I sent to you, that is what we want. Bring it now! Oh, enter you for the master. Guys! Marvel! Guys, she doesn't want to bring the money. Shoot her! Where is the money? The money! Be fast about it! Where is it? Lada! Lada! Lada!
Papa.
Papa, good day. Welcome.
That's
Papa.
Excuse me. Hey. All complaints should wait for now. Can't you see that we're about dealing with this Okpa? Hey, Ta!
But Papa.
Ta, my friend, come. And from today, don't call Papa again, idiot. Now, who is senior? Look at your camp. When you put us there.
Yes, I'm coming.
Hey! How are you?
I'm fine, please sit down.
Yeah, thank you very much. Hey!
How's everything?
I'm fine, no.
I really missed you.
I miss you. You know something? Your beauty, just increase day by day, and by day.
Really? Are you serious?
Hey! Very, very short. Before I forget, I got something for you.
For me? What is that? All these things?
For you now.
My own? Hey!
No, these ones are small. You deserve much more.
Hey, don't be so.
I'm telling you.
I'm very, very grateful. Thank you,
So at least you drink and your body go there refresh.
My friends are very jealous of you.
I know. Hi, Adi. Hey, yeah. Your beautifulness,
Are you serious?
You look like say, take me, oh butterfly. Hey, yeah. Don't worry, anything you need, just always call on me.
I will always call on you.
I'll be there for you. Anything you want, just tell me. It will be all yours.
Yes, I will always call you. But you know, there's a problem. There's something I want to tell you. I don't know what to say.
Bend your mouth this side and talk am.
Okay.
Talk am, just anyhow talk am. I did that for you.
The thing is that my birthday is 3 days time.
Birthday? 3 days? That is like tomorrow. Then day before tomorrow. Then next tomorrow.
Yes.
It's your birthday. No problem now. It will be great. Very great and enjoyable. You know something? That day, I will surprise you.
Hey.
Aggie, that day, I'm going to suffocate you with love.
Hey.
I'm going to strangle you with love. I will deform you with love.
I can't wait.
I will incarcerate you with love.
I can't wait for that day to come.
You can't do it.
I can't wait.
For what? You must wait, oh. If you don't wait, who have come down for?
I will wait.
Wait, oh. Wait.
Let me get you something to eat first before any other thing.
Wait first. Something to eat. Make that one wait. Make I force to eat you.
Hey, I tell myself like that now. You first of all eat food before you eat the other one.
That one. Then they give me strength to eat food. I'm telling you, can give me strength to eat food?
Give me strength to eat this one now.
Unless you don't start, I don't like this thing now. Do me this and give you me. Or give me you.
I know.
I will come, let me eat. Let me eat. This eating.
Good morning.
What is good about this one? What is good about this one?
Nani, who annoyed you this early morning?
Who stole the money I kept in my trousers?
Who must have done that?
Who must have done that? Who apart from you? Where are those useless sons of yours? Akpo and the Zemufta. Okay, the devil will be able to.
Nani, no tutua.
Mba, Nanya, Nabania.
Oh,
come on, go back. You and your kids go and find my money. See about what?
Nani.
Oh!
Agama.
Apollo. How are they?
Fine.
I don't day here. This is just the bite me.
Just the bite me
anyhow. How are they?
Right.
I want to go see one of my friends for yonder.
Okay, for wonder.
They come now.
Come back.
No, I know now.
Hey.
Look when I take care of house.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Bad voice.
He thought that we don't know what he's doing.
Don't mind them. This man, eh?
Agama.
Agama. Now when they can't like they play what so?
Can you imagine? Hey.
Oboki plus Oboki, now waiting where you go see again. Obolo, and na compulsory thing, everybody must to buy. See Obolo, every Okada market own, Agama own now.
Yes, come.
Oh, baby. What did you say the problem was?
Agama. Some guys from nowhere were in the same taxi with me. All of a sudden, they told me I was a beautiful girl.
He was correct.
Agama, I appreciate it.
Fine, correct.
I appreciate it. Just as it was about going further, I objected to it. And Agama, yesterday insulting me. They gave me the insult of my life. Jesus. I was about talking back at them. All of them gave me a very, very hot slap.
What? They slapped you?
Slapped me.
They had the guts to slap my baby, huh? Wait, this side or this side? Yeah.
This side.
Hope they didn't hurt you very much.
I didn't.
Sorry. Hey! They slapped my baby. You see, immediately I got your call, I left everything I was doing and rushed to the scene of the fight. But if I could get there, the fight had ended. They should thank their stars. They should thank their stars that I did not meet any of them there. I would have shown them the stuff Agama is made of. How can they slap my baby?
It's okay.
No, it's not okay. Don't tell me it's okay. How can somebody slap my baby and go free? And you tell me,
It's okay. Hey! Don't allow them to spoil our day. You know tomorrow is my birthday.
well, yes, I remember. I have not forgotten. Tomorrow is your birthday. You have not forgotten. I still remember.
Agama, that slap was hot.
Very hot.
I never received that kind of slap all my life.
Sorry.
Agama, if you that I was a strong girl.
Enjoy.
I would have fainted.
Don't worry.
I would have collapsed.
You're the strong girl. There's always a first time to everything. So mark today as the first day you received hot slap. What if I'm not around? Can't you be receiving all this? Enjoy, receive and enjoy, receive and enjoy. Keep them for me. Leave the fat for me later.
So that is.
Oh, don't worry. Next time if they slap me like this, make sure you collect their address. So if I come back, I'll go for them. They left immediately. Don't worry. Just don't worry. About your birthday, we'll talk about that. Everything is in place. I will make sure. You know Agama. Slap my baby. Slap my baby. Slap my baby.
Which are human beings? Everybody just they ask. Oh, boy, see ya. Which kind of polo big was this one? Oh, polo now waiting. Oh, polo. He gets a one man. This man named now Okafo. This man gets a family where every person can get yeah. But the owner exception, oh, only children now wahala. Number one name na Agama, oh, Apu and Apollo. Apu the peace for house, so Apollo the peace for house, so make una see them. Oh, people we not ashamed. These boys they love woman, but to speak English na wahala. Oh, I don't see where Mumu they look for woman. Mumu. Ah wow. Oboki plus Oboki. I waiting
Brezi. Madam, correct. Who they you?
Lami, sir.
Madam, well done.
Thank you. Welcome. What you find?
You get a bra of this size.
Of this side?
This size.
Now, so the woman thing.
Madam, forget this. You get a break and look at
I get a more plenty sir. Now this one.
This color go good. Go match.
But check this one now. This one better pass. As you hold am for hand.
So this one good, You not be woman and I go sabi.
We sabi now.
Wait,
So you
wait.
too, you supposed to pass me.
Correct. The thing hook.
Well.
Grab and well. Madam, you just say this thing go size am. I don't know. Now like this, Abi.
Yes.
So how much with this one?
600 naira.
This mountain? Madam, if you can't be extra large, how much?
I bring 400 naira.
Madam, I don't get 400.
So you know some money.
Back give you
150.
150. How much last?
Last. 200.
200.
Yes.
200 last price. You just say this thing go fit am.
You go fit am well. Take am now.
Make it. Madam, I beg, do me one favor. I beg, remove your clothes. Make I test whether I go size am. Madam. Package and this breast, you go enter well.
Okay.
Last card.
I won't make I see you next time.
No worries, if I won't come next time, go give me correct one. No, they get different
that thing go big.
Different size. They even get this one they call a fried egg. That one way, if you remove the fried, it will go you know go put face for me. Madam. Thank you. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Oh, baby.
Oh my love.
Hi. You see, I'm going to give you a special happy birthday song.
I've waited so long for today to come.
Before I present my special happy birthday gift.
Wait, I can't wait.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Agama. Happy birthday to you. You see, I wish you many happy returns of the day.
Thank you.
Hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip.
Hooray!
Oh, baby. Now, close your eyes. Close your eyes for this special birthday gift. Don't open it too. You're playing for you. Alright then. Now open your palms. Just open your palms. Ta-da! Now gradually open your eyes. Yes! You can open it.
Agama. What is this?
Gifts.
Look how it is.
I'll check it now. Just check it. I'm sure you like it.
I very like it.
Yes, I made sure it's your size. I made sure it's your size. That's brand new.
A bra? For a birthday present.
Correct. Your size, I made sure I went for your size. The exact size of palm. No remove, no put.
Thank you. Thank you.
Just like that. Thank you. Go come with your hug. Baby. Baby. Aggie. It's like you're not happy.
I'm very happy.
You're happy.
Very happy. I'm extremely happy.
Just remove and put it on. Let me see how it fits. Pull off, pull off.
I should test this thing.
Pull off. Here. Baby. That is money.
This thing.
Bruh, not 10. Put it on. Let me see. Huh?
Going out loud. Today is my birthday.
I know.
And I'm all dressed up for you to take me out. Not asking me to put on this thing.
Take you out.
Yes. Today is my birthday. You're supposed to take me out, not asking me to put on this thing.
Oh yeah, put it on. Let me take you out.
I'm okay like this.
Change. Wear it.
I'm okay like this. I'm dressed up for waiting for you to come and take me out.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Pigs.
Nani, this
This thing is getting too much.
Get away. Get away, my friend. You are carrying an elephant on your head. And you are digging ground looking for cricket with your food. Your house is in disarray. These children you call my children. They are not my children.
Hey, Nine. Why are you talking like this?
Thank you for that question. And then you take it like this. I doubt those boys' genealogy more than I am going to submit them for a lab test. Oh yes. The case has gone very far. A lab test will determine them. What do you mean? My mind is telling me that those boys you call my children are bad. Hey! First Legum, they stole my money. But don't worry. One day for the thief, another day for the owner. Double wahala for the body and the owner of the body.
But Nine, they've never for one day told me that they are sick.
No, they will tell you for 2 days. You want a sucia, you need a sucia to tell you first that these people are bunkum.
Nine.
Please,
I don't understand.
You don't understand, okay? You don't understand. Okay, man. Double wahala for the body and the owner of the body.
Madam, my sister, can you believe that's my so-called boyfriend? Give me this thing as a birthday present. Hey, brah. My sister, I was surprised when I saw it though. I was surprised.
This man is really funny.
Very funny. Very, very funny.
Hi. Agnes. Let me ask you a question. What does that guy do?
What he does? He said he's a businessman. He does business, business.
Are you sure? Because that guy doesn't look nice to me at all.
Hold it there. Ada, what's organized? Don't insult my man in my presence. I won't take it from you. If I'm not there, that's a different case. But in my presence, don't insult my man. I won't take that. Please, don't insult my man.
Sorry, but when the time comes, you
I don't want to understand. Is it by force? I'm there. Let's just change this topic. I don't want to talk about it. So, how are you?
So, I heard you had your birthday.
Oh, so you had. It was very, very interesting. I really enjoyed it. You were not in town, were you?
So, who organized the stuff?
Who else? My businessman boyfriend.
Everybody must to buy every Okada market on Agama on now wahala.
Kaliki ofone, kaliki, anaga. Kaliki, anaga. Kaliki. Actually, I'm waiting for my friend. My friend, he went inside the market, so I decided to wait for him. Yeah.
Yes. I don't want to believe now.
I'm not so fast now. You know what? Just sit down. I will drop you.
No, I should sit down.
I will drop you. Okay. One ofonye kaliki na wow kaliki ofonye bottle lebra kaliki onaga na wow na ngata do I remember
He said he will be staying long because he wants to get himself some t-shirts and trousers and shoes. Okay, you know what? Maybe you will go. I will see you later. I will see you. I will come. Take care. I'll see you. I said at 50 naira.
Na 40 naira. No be Kaliki.
You don't want to go down.
No be Kaliki.
I'm going down without taking a way.
No, na 40 naira. Wait till.
Come na 50 naira.
Only you.
You say no hold it. How much you hold it? 100. I go find you, but na 50 naira.
Oh, they go.
Yeah,
They go. No wahala.
Oboki, now waiting where you go see again. Obolo, and na compulsory thing, everybody must to buy. See Obolo, every Okada man get it on, Agama on na wahala. Obolo, trouble every day, I say trouble every night. Agama need deliverance, 7 days fasting and prayer. This one day beyond oh, I believe I'm no stopping. Which can human being did this? Everybody just they ask. Oh, my dear, which can Obolo big was this one? Obolo now waiting.
This is an hospital now.
What are we coming to?
How are you, my dear? Is the lab attendant here?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Oh, very good, thank God. Lab? Yes, my dear.
What are we going to talk about?
Any problem, sir?
Yes, my dear. Look at them. You see that these 2 boys are very sick. Very, very sick. So I want to know if there's any medicine you can give to them so that they can be well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Papa, I met them on the bed. I don't know them before. I'm a trader, so I want to help the society.
Papa, why is it at home?
Shut up, boy. Get away. Come here!
Look at see.
But the akara is good.
This 10 naira thing, so is akara, eh?
No, it's good now.
Okay.
There's salt on the sugar.
Wancho! Wancho, Mark is like you by eating. No,
man. There's no oil now.
Oh, you did my mouth?
No.
Wancho.
Wancho, what brought you here now?
I was going to this level that I will give you notify I will visit you.
Oh yes, exactly. You know, before previously, you always give us 2 to 3 days notice.
So that we can always prepare something for you.
Hey.
Wancho.
Apollo.
You might be headache.
This headache
is my spine.
Wait.
Apollo, I'm coming.
The thing is even affecting my sensory organs. Come and sit down. Sit down. Come here, babe now. My babe.
Hey! Hello! Apple!
See you here.
That thing, this akara is too hot.
It was even too hot on my head. It was even wanting to that media.
You look me. Come on there now.
but the own na exception. Oh, only children na wahala. Number one name na Agama. Oh, Apple and Apollo. Apple the peace for house, so Apollo the peace for house, so make una see them. Oh, people when not ashamed.
But
these boys they love woman, but to speak English na wahala.
actually, there is something I've been meaning to tell you. It's been on my mind ever since, but I don't know how to say it.
Oh, come on, Agama. Just, you're free to say anything you want to say. You know I love you so much and you're free to say anything.
See, baby. Well, baby. Will you marry me?
Yes, I'll marry you.
You will marry me?
Anytime, any day, I'll marry you.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I love you. Expensive ring, that is gold.
You mean I'm putting on gold?
Yes. How do you want our wedding?
I would like that wedding to be a very, very expensive and elaborate one.
You have it.
I don't want any of our guests to regret ever coming.
You have it. And that is why I've made every arrangement. The wedding gown is ready. I bought even coats for myself. Suits for myself, shoes, your own shoes. I paid the band boys. I even hired DJ. The welfare, the food, the drinks taken care of. I'm even thinking of paying people to come to our wedding.
Okay, baby.
Necessary, yeah? That's very good.
Baby.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want us to use a very, very big car.
No, don't say that. Well, I'm even thinking of using a helicopter.
No, baby. No, you know people and the way they gossip, the way they talk. They will say you're wasting your money on me, spending money on this. Yeah, at least a brand new sports car will do.
You have it. Brand new sports. I'm telling you, you have brand new sports car. I want to make sure that everything is good. So I'm thinking of first week of it. Exactly what you're thinking. So, don't worry, as we leave here right now, I'm going to take you to any choice restaurant.
I'm very, very happy. Oh, my friends are very jealous.
They have to be.
Oh, when I don't see where mumu they look for woman. Mumu. Ah, wow. Oboki plus Oboki. Now waiting Obolo. And na compulsory thing. Everybody must to buy. See every Okada man getting on. Agama on now.
Good day, sir.
What can I do for you?
Okay. Sir, we came to see our friend Stella.
Okay, you are the idiot that is dating her.
Oh, exactly.
She's this time, let me call
Oh, very good. You see, I told you. Sit down. Don't worry. Sit. I think I told you. Let's wait for Stella. Hey, Stella. You're coming to see me again. You have to dress properly. See me. Huh? Oh, don't mind. Mask now. Hey! Thank you, sir. Hey! Stella!
But wait for me now.
What are you? Idiots. Look at them. Dressed like beggars on the street. Coming to look for my
I say trouble every night. Agama need deliverance. 7 days fasting and prayer. This one day beyond oh. I believe I'm no stopping. Which can human being did this? Everybody just they ask.
We greet you. Yes, we are greeting you. What are you doing?
No, there is no problem. In fact, we came with good news. what good news will ever come from the family? Yes. What good news?
You're a very good friend, Agama. He's about to wed.
Oh yes. And we came to find out if he has given you the invitation.
How can I accept invitation from a family that has contaminated blood? How can? Contaminated blood.
Hey, wait. That statement is too strong to come from a family friend now.
Who is a family friend? How can I be family friend to people who worship Lucifer? Never Lucifer.
Hey! I know you give. You know
if you stay here further, and you almost one more second you stay here, and you almost
Okay. Okay. Are you coming to Agama's wedding or not?
If there's any way I can influence Lucifer to be chairman of that wedding, I will do it in Lucifer's name. In Lucifer's name. In the name of Lucifer. In the name of Lucifer. Lucifer.
My fellow answer your name. Gaya where? Gaya where? That is to say, that is to say, production, association, ATM, ABS, Radio Nigeria, I am, let's have power, musician, Gaya where? When I was on the singing job, listen to as I witnessed you. When I was on the singing job, even when in the belly, I couldn't underwater. Something happened to me or to me. They lost set me free. When they say mo his kid to become my getting again now. Praise that, 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 skits, praise that, praise that, praise that, praise that, praise that, everybody coming to the generation, everybody higher generation, double them pay. Double them pay, my brother. I have visited
If you move now, I move you. Make sure that you pack all of them inside. You the craze.
Soboki, now waiting when you go see again. Obolo, and na compulsory thing, everybody must to buy. See Obolo, every Okada man get it on, Agama on now wahala. Obolo, trouble every day, I say trouble every night. Agama need deliverance, 7 days fasting and prayer. This one day beyond though, I believe I'm not stopping. Which can human being did this? Everybody just they ask. Oh, I see ya. Which can Obolo big pass this one? Obolo now waiting. Obolo. get one man, this man name na Okafo. This man get a family where every person can get yeah. But the own na exception, oh, only children na wahala. Number one name na Agama, oh, Apple and Apollo. Apple the peace for house, oh, Apollo the peace for house, oh. Make una see them, oh people wey no dey shame. These boys they love woman, but to speak English na wahala. Oh, una don see where mumu dey look for woman. Mumu. Ah wow. Oboki plus Oboki, na wetin we see Obolo. Head na compulsory thing, everybody must to buy. See Obolo. Every Okada man get his own, Agama own na wahala. Obolo. Trouble every day, I say trouble every night. Agama need deliverance, 7 days fasting and prayer. This one day beyond oh, I believe I'm no stopping. Hey, which kind human being did this? Everybody just they ask oh. Oh my dear, which kind of polo big was this one? Oh polo na waiting. Oh polo. Apollo say make you go check woman. He come be say he spray perfume for body. Make una guess wetin he spray. Now he said he spray for him body. Yeah. Another mumu na he then they see. Then they ask now who these children resemble. Oh. But I can't see him say monkey no they resemble rat yeah. Monkey they resemble monkey and monkey they resemble monkey. Tell me who these children resemble. Monkey they resemble waiting in a monkey. Hey, oh. Oboki plus Oboki, now waiting where you go see again. Obolo. Head na compulsory thing, everybody must to buy. See Obolo. Every Okada man get his own, Agama own na wahala. Obolo. Trouble every day, I say trouble every night. Agama need deliverance, 7 days fasting and prayer. This one day beyond oh, I believe I'm no stopping. Hey, which kind human being did this? Everybody just they ask oh. Oh my dear, which kind of polo big was this one? Oh polo na waiting. Oh polo. He gets a one man. This man name na Okafo. This man get a family where every person can get yeah. But the own na exception, oh, only children na wahala. Number one name na Agama, oh, Apple and Apollo. Apple the peace for house, oh, Apollo the peace for house, oh. Make una see them, oh people wey no dey shame. These boys they love woman, but to speak English na wahala. Oh, una don see where mumu they look for woman. Mumu. Ah wow.